Hey folks, I'm Brian with Risner Cutlery, and today I'm going to show you how to sign up for our TPK rewards program and how to redeem your points and apply them to an order. To start, let's click the rewards program link on the left of the menu bar. This page explains a bit about the rewards program. From here, click on the big red text in the center to go to the sign up page. Here's the rewards registration form. Enter your name, email, and create a password. Once you're done, click Sign Up. Welcome to the club. You've got 500 points in your account just for signing up. Let's go use them. Now that you're a member, let's go back to the rewards program widget in the bottom corner and click Sign In. Log in with the email and password you just created. If you forgot your password, just click the Forgot Password link to reset it. Great, we're all signed in. Now we can see our rewards program account and redeem some points to use. In the rewards program widget, click Ways to Redeem. You can select how many points to redeem into a discount code here. Let's just do 100 points, or $1. Click Redeem, and you'll be presented with a randomized discount code. Copy that code so we can use it during checkout. Now that we have our discount code, let's go add something to our cart and check out. I like the forest green leather knife slip, so I'll add one of those by clicking Add to Cart. The cart icon is showing one item in our cart now, so we can click on that and review our order before checking out. Underneath the subtotal, you'll see the discounts box. Paste that code that we just created into the box and click Apply. You can see that the discount was applied and the order amount has updated. You're all set to continue checking out normally now. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us by email or phone.